So the key here is it cannot be relevant. It should not be based on IT technology or AI technology. That's a wrong approach to take. It should be top down, like you said. First of all, it has to be top down. It cannot be let employees fool around here, chat GPT, do this here, do this here. Let's see how they figure it out. Let them train on their own. Let's figure it out. It's not going to work. In any enterprise, it's not going to work, let alone pharma, right? Because you have the added thing of the regulatory frameworks that you need to follow, correct? FDA is not going to tell you right now. I mean, there are some guidelines, but it's not going to help us too much. Step one, we need great leadership when it comes to AI. What do I expect from my manufacturing facilities? How will AI how do I see, as let's say the CEO of a company or the plant manager, how do I see AI changing my operations? And do I have a 3-year, 5-year plan, 10-year plan to see this is what I expect, this is what I'm willing to invest in? It's all technology agnostic at this point, right? It doesn't matter whether you use ChatGPT, Mistral, or some other framework, which is evolving anyway. It doesn't matter. We know what AI can do at a high level. We know what AI can do. So based on what we have seen the last 2 years, we know what AI can do. Now, how will I adopt it? You need that blueprint, up-down approach, up-down commitment, which should be realistic also. It cannot be, I want to launch, I'm going to automate every process in my facility. We're going to do that like on a weekly cadence. I mean, that's not going to work either. So it needs change in the leadership thinking. It needs change in the culture of the company, right? The expectations, and every process has to be revisited, and they have to do that in a very systematic way. They have to do that. And for any process that's automated, that's in GXP, what are my expectations? How are we going to defend it? Right. And we'll discuss that more as we move along.